Hello dear 10th standard students. Today we are going to learn about constructions. There are two methods, there are two types in the construction in this your syllabus. First one is tangent construction and second one is similar triangles, construction of similar triangles. So first we have to learn tangent construction to the circle. See, there are so many methods are there in the construction of tangents. First one, in that methods I am going to show here one by one. First one is to construct tangents from an external point to the circle. This is first method. And second one is to construct tangents to the circle when angle is given between the two radii. This is second method. And third one is to construct tangents to the circle when angle is given between the two tangents. This is third method. I am going to show one by one with an example. In this video I am going to show one example for the first method. And the fourth method is to construct tangents at the end point of the diameter of a circle. In the circle at the end point we are going to construct a tangent. And the last one is to construct tangents at the end points of the chord in the given circle. These are the methods in the construction of tangents to the circle. So regarding to first method, see, for example here like this: construct a pair of tangents to the circle of radius 3 centimeter from an external point 10 centimeter away from the center. This is first question regarding to the first method, that is construction of tangents from an external point. This is first method. And for the first example, we have to construct two tangents to the circle from an external point, that is 10 centimeter. Here the point is at 10 centimeter from the center. So first we have to construct a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Measurement, I am taking the measurement like this. It is 3 centimeter as the radius. By using the protractor we have to construct 3 centimeter as the radius to construct the circle. After constructing a circle, mark the center and draw a line or point. Locate the point that is 10 centimeter away from the center, means from center the point outside the circle, that is length is 10 centimeter. See, at 10 centimeter, that is a point. From that point we have to construct tangents to this circle. See, from an external point 10 centimeter away from the center, here it is the center. From this center, here it is the point. We have to construct two tangents from that point. After this, construct the perpendicular bisector for this straight line. Here it is the straight line. We have to construct perpendicular bisector. What is this perpendicular bisector? We have already learnt in the 7th standard. Perpendicular bisector, take more than half of this straight line. You can take up to end word. So after taking more than half of this draw an arc both upside and downside also, like this. draw an arc, and also downside like this from left hand side of the center of the circle, and fixed in the right side of at the end point of what it is straight line. Just cut to the that is given arc. We have already done in the first previous one. Like this, here comes the point of contact. Here also here comes the point of contact of both the arcs. After cutting these, here we have got 2 points, point of intersection. You just connect these 2 points, point of intersecting, by using the ruler. We have to draw this, we have to connect these 2 points, point of intersecting. Here got one more what it is point of intersection of these 2 straight lines. Where is this point of intersecting? Point of intersection is like this here. See, this as center. After taking this as center, we have to draw one circle. This as radius, taking after this as radius, like this. Draw a complete circle like this. If you done perfectly, there is nothing wrong in this construction. After these, see, this is first circle and this is second circle. These 2 circles are intersecting at 2 points. Search where is that 2 points, this one and this one. Here is the point of contact. So this point and end point of the straight line, we have to join these 2 points. The straight line passing through the first circle, this is called tangent. This is first tangent, and another one is, search there where the point of contact goes, first circle and the second circle. Here it is the second tangent. From the point outside the circle to the given circle, here it is the tangent. This is first tangent and this is second tangent. See, after construction of this, just measure the 2 tangents. You just measure these 2 tangents and write it, how much the tangent will be there. So this is the process of constructing the tangents from an external point. That is first method. And right here, the last one means the length of the tangents. Both are in same. If you measure the first one, second one also is same. So this is first one. I will come in the next video for second method. Thank you.